good people? Hope you're doing well. This is Just World, where we talk about finance, personal development, travel, and community service. This is yet another travel video, and we're going to take you through a second room, which is considered a standard room at the Leopard Resort. Come with us. Leopard has how many rooms?
198 rooms, but you are selling 190 rooms.
Okay. Where is the extra one? Those extra ones.
Those extra ones. Don't worry about them.
Okay, but they're available.
What's available for you? 180 rooms.
Okay, that's fine.
Alright.
Yes.
So I'm going to begin by showing you 618.
618.
618, that's a superior balcony room.
Okay.
Rooms on the first floor.
Okay. Oh, so on the first floor
they call them the standard rooms because it's the entry level room.
Okay.
So we call them superior balcony.
Okay.
Yeah.
Right, we are ready for superior.
A double bed.
Okay.
Double bed meaning it has one bed in the room. Our room, that's the superior and the deluxe. Can either have a twin bed, a triple, it's a double, and a single beside it.
Okay.
And then a double one bed in the room.
Okay.
We also have interconnecting rooms.
Oh, if you have a family.
If you have a family.
Oh, nice.
Interconnecting, it's a room with a double bed, interconnected to a room with a twin bed.
Okay.
So,
Yeah. Ah, nice. Oh, yeah, that's why you have the leopards.
Yeah, I want to take you superior balcony, then the deluxe, then the cottage, then in an ascending order.
Okay.
From the smallest to the biggest.
Okay. So here is the room. I'm not going to repeat the tour because you had already seen the previous video. If you haven't watched, kindly watch after this one. This room is a standard room. The one I previously shared was a deluxe. The color combination over here. Yeah. So does it mean this one person only gets to sit here? This looks slightly smaller than ours. So ours was a deluxe. Oh. This one is already open. On the last part of this clip, we're going to share the AC and the lighting in all the rooms. AC, we have this, which cools the main room, and we have this. So when you just walk in at the door, it's just, the temperature is very good. Then for the light, okay, before we go to the lighting, so here is where you operate the AC. I think it's off. So this is the control center of the AC. I think you can hear it's running here. So the details are here. whatever you need to do if you want to make it sleep and all that. For the lighting, we start by the coffee station. We have this small light, and we also have this. So when you're making your coffee, you just have them on. For the bedside, we have this lamp, and we have this smaller, which is adjustable light. Okay, and that applies to the 3 that I shared with you. See the second one over there. So basically on this one, there's extras. There's you can turn off the main power sources from here. Then the other lighting is here in between the TV and the one on that side. Then we have where we had our center table where you can just have your snack is over there. So you have the lighting there. For the desk, the lighting is there. Yeah, so it's actually very well lit and the temperature is good. But right now the place is not so hot, so you actually don't need an AC throughout the night. And they all have this. The bedside lamps all have this light.